Hey, this is Trevor with QA1. Thanks for considering the bolt-in coilover conversion we offer for your classic A, B, or E body Mopar. Here we've got a great design that allows you to have ride height adjustability, improves your front end geometry, and it also eliminates your torsion bar front end, which is a huge improvement in terms of handling, but also header clearance. We also have modular engine mounts, which allow you to run a plethora of popular engine configurations, from the classic Chrysler Gen 2 Hemi, big block, small block, and also the Gen 3 Hemi. This system will give you ride height adjustability from stock height to 2 inches lower, or our lowering kit, which would give you 2 inches to 4 inches lower than stock. This is an easy bolt-in system that you can do right in your driveway at home. Really very straightforward, but there are a couple things worth considering here. So one would be the system will come with a power rack and pinion steering system from a Fox body Mustang. This will require you to adapt the steering linkage from the rack up to your factory steering column, but everything you need for it's all included in the kit and laid out in the instructions. Because of the steering rack, this also will have some clearance issues with a lot of the factory oil pans. So we generally recommend a mid-sump oil pan, or in some cases a rear sump pan. This system has both adjustable upper and lower control arms in it. Here we've got a solid mounted rod end upper control arm and a polyurethane bushing lower arm. In our drag race version of this system, we would have rod ends both in the upper and lower control arm to eliminate any potential for binding. Also in the drag system would be a lighter spring rate. This will encourage more stored energy in that front spring, helping with weight transfer at the track. The spindles that are included in this system are a Mustang 2 style spindle. We've got these both in a stock height spindle, which gives you stock to 2 inches lower, or a 2-inch drop spindle, which will give you 2 to 4 inches lower than stock. You can put just about any aftermarket brake kit on this. Anything that fits a Mustang 2 will work on this, but it is a good idea to make sure that the brake system you're looking at doesn't affect your track width or your wheel back spacing. But most of all, the brake manufacturers will include all of these details for you. We've got 3 shock options available. We've got our single adjust shocks, which work really well on the street. We've got our double adjust shocks, which give you the ability to tune your compression independent from your rebound. This is better for a track option. And then the big guy we've got here is our mod shock, and this is really a do-it-all shock. You can put this on the highest performing autocross or drag car, but you can also run it on the street, so great option there. I hope I was able to answer any questions you might have about the bolt-in coilover conversion for your classic Mopar, and I really appreciate you joining me today.